William Wallace. And I see a whole army of my countrymen here in defiance of tyranny. You've come to fight as free men. And free men you are. What will you do with that freedom? Will you fight? Against that? No! We will run! And we will live. Aye. Fight and you may die. Run and you'll live. At least a while. And dying in your beds many years from now, would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance, just one chance, to come back here and tell our enemies that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
当年，抗日东西的这个别分大个这么多个，咱们我国先别红旗子这个大，这桌上我前来忙这行的嘞，这桌上我讲个年，让我们那这车子有劲嘞，大陆没吹这个教育，没走，大陆没吹这个教育。
我说这送太位了。
哎，该点这个当哪？出口就那当，该点这送哪？你更快去说送他妈当。对路多路是个，可能送他们那说那里。这期俺家弄可怜的就个路大，他们嘛这个，过个这个艰难多个，过个这个呢，这就上来过了，啊，这我他妈三次开个这个。可是做特殊出他们那了，啊做让我，那边那了出不到，让我个钱了，让我个钱了。